Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? It's raining here in Kuala Lumpur. मैंने एक ड्रोन ख़रीदना है और उससे पहले चलते हैं एटीएम, वहाँ से कुछ पैसे निकालने। और मज़े की बात यह है कि आई एम गोना यूज़ माई पाकिस्तानी मास्टर कार्ड है।
I give you this.
ये गिम्बल भी soon I'm gonna buy it, but not today.
Hello.
And
David, cầm mũi xin cầm thơ đó.
this is
Okay.
GoPro, very best action camera.
Okay, bro. This one you need to sign. You need to charge the battery put here. Okay.
Where is battery?
Here inside. Battery here.
Put it, I want
Yeah.
to try it.
But now no, I think no current. You need to charge first. You need to install and check. Okay, it's here. Memory card you want to buy? Memory card?
Oh, I already have memory
You
card.
have already?
Yeah.
Okay. So later you turn on. You need to charge first. You got chip. No chip, how to pay? Straight money ah?
Strip.
Oh. Tapi pen boleh pakai ya?
Boleh?
Boleh.
Next set.
Okay, follow me.
So I'm gonna buy this TELLO. It's 599 Malaysian ringgit. So tell me the specs of this model. Is it good?
Okay, hello. Many people use DJI company.
Okay. Powered by DJI. Subscribe now and press the bell button to get the latest updates.